us to know first about Socrates. Socrates needs me to apply myself. It's because the saying know thyself, which is closely associated with the teaching of Socrates, reminds me that understanding ourselves is one of the most important steps towards living a meaningful and successful life. To know yourself means recognizing your strengths, weaknesses, values, beliefs, emotions, and goals. Socrates believed that people should instead or simply following self-awareness, we become a better making wise decision, building healthy relationships, and improving our character. When I apply this teaching to my own life, I realized that I need to be honest with myself about the areas where I excel and the areas where I still need to grow. Knowing myself helps me become more confident because I understand my abilities without comparing myself to others. It also teaches me me to accept my mistake, learn from them, and continue striving to become a better person each day. Instead of allowing fear, pressure, or the opinion of others to control my choices, I can make decisions based on my values and personal goals. Through self-reflection, I become more responsible for my action and more determined to achieve my dreams. Socrates with wisdom reminds me that true knowledge begins with understand who I am, and that this understanding is the foundation for personal growth, happiness, and a life lived with purpose and integrity. Let's know the second is Saint Augustine. Saint Augustine needs me to improve myself. It's because Saint Augustine's reflection on the relationship between time and memory has helped me improve myself by teaching me the importance of learning from the past, living responsibly in the present, and preparing for the future. Augustine believed that the past no longer exists except in our memories, that future exists in our hopes and expectations, and the present is where we make our choices. This idea has inspired me to reflect on my own life and recognize that my memories are not meant to keep me trapped in regret, but to help me grow into a wiser and stronger person. When I remember my mistakes, I can learn valuable lessons instead of repeating them. At the same time, I should not spend all my energy worrying about what will happen tomorrow today. Augustine's teaching reminds me to use each moment wisely, to make good decisions, and to focus on becoming a better version of myself every day. Through self-reflection, I become more aware of my action, attitudes, and responsibilities towards others. His understanding of time and memory encouraged me to appreciate every moment as a gift from God, and to forgive myself and others for past failures, and to continue growing with faith and hope and love. Because of Saint Augustine's wisdom, I realized that true personal improvement comes from reflecting on my experience, trusting God's guidance, and using every present moment as an opportunity to live with purpose, kindness, and integrity.